Hey there, have you ever wanted to view an old carousel you liked on Instagram but couldn't find it on your PC? Well, you're in luck because Instagram has rolled out a new update that makes it easier to access your liked content. Let me show you how. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, at the bottom left corner of the screen, click on the More icon, or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity from the options that pop up. This will take you to a page where you can see all your recent interactions on Instagram. From the Interactions section, click on the Likes section. Here, you'll find all the carousels you have liked in the past. If you want to view them from oldest to newest, simply click on the Sort and Filter option. Choose Oldest to Newest from the drop-down menu, and voila! You can now easily scroll through all the carousels you have liked in the past. So there you have it, a simple and quick way to view old carousels you have liked on Instagram on your PC. Give it a try and let me know if you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.